How to create nice stroke effect with emboss effect in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Go to the Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag and drop an adjustment clip above your video in timeline. Right-click on the adjustment clip and select Change Clip Duration. Click on the Frames button and set duration to 2 frames. Now click on Open FX and search for Emboss. Drag Emboss effect into adjustment clip. Select the adjustment clip and in the Inspector, under Effects tab, change Emboss style to Sobel. Then uncheck 2 of these checkboxes. Here I disable green and blur channels. Now click on Video tab and change Composite mode to Add. Now hold down the Alt key and drag the adjustment clip to create a duplicate from it. Select the duplicate adjustment clip and change the zoom and position of it. Do this process multiple times, create duplicates from adjustments, and change zoom and position to random values to create a more random effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.